Good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you the most important and full-fledged question of issue of shares. So we are going to discuss oversubscription and forfeiture of shares. That means combined effect, or you can say the essence of whole chapter. In this single question, I just tell you the complete issue of shares. So it is one of the most important question. So understand it properly. All of us, we have, it is said in question, I am going to read the statement so that you can understand it properly. A limited company issued a prospectus inviting applications for 2 lakh shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 2 per share. That means company will receive total 12 rupees per share. How company will receive? On application rupees 3, on allotment rupees 4, on first call rupees 3 and on second call rupees 2. That means 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 3 10 and 10 plus 2 12. And application were received for 3 lakh shares. Whenever there is a case of oversubscription, that means applied are more than allotted shares. So you have to first make a column of applied shares 3 lakh and allotted shares are 2 lakh. After then, please maintain one more column after application, that is of share capital, because all application money does not belong to capital, because we receive excess application. So that's why we have to make a column of share capital. If any share got rejected, then there is one more column of bank at the last. But in this question, no shareholder is rejected, so no need to make a column of bank. So we just give shares on pro rata basis. That means 3 lakh shares receive 2 lakh shares. So how you will adjust the excess money? It is clearly said in question that money overpaid on application was to be adjusted on allotment only. That means no need to adjust it on calls. So how you will do? The first step is all of us multiply applied share with application. That means 3 lakh multiply 3, 9 lakh. Second step, allotted share multiply with share capital. 2 lakh multiply 3, 6 lakh. That means there is an excess of 3 lakh. This excess money will be adjusted in allotment. On the basis of this table, you can make two journal entries. The first one is bank account debit to share application. See the column of application. We will receive 9 lakh. So bank account debit to share application 9 lakh. After that, share application account debit. Application is credited with 9 lakh. So it must be debited with 9 lakh. To share capital. See the column of share capital. Total is 6 lakh. So share capital will be of 6 lakh. And excess money adjusted on allotment 3 lakh. So here we will write 3 lakh. So on the basis of first table, we will make only two entries. Now for the remaining entries, we have to make another table. So how we will make it? Allotted share, allotment, first call and second call, because only these items will left. So allotted shares are 2 lakh. Now there is no use of applied shares. Allotment is of 4 rupees, 2 rupees for allotment and 2 for premium. So how much amount you will receive on allotment? 2 lakh multiply to 4 lakh, 2 lakh multiply to 4 lakh. So total we will receive on allotment, that is 8 lakh. But already we have received 3 lakh, so that should be deducted. So we will receive only 5 lakh at the time of allotment. Similarly, 2 lakh multiply 3, 6 lakh should be received on first call. 2 lakh multiply 2, 4 lakh should be received on second call. That is the amount of due entry. So how you will post? Share allotment account debit with 8 lakh. 2 share capital, that is 4 lakh. And 2 security premium reserve account, that is of 4 lakh. You can write it 2 lakh into 2 and 2 lakh into 2. That means 4 lakh, 4 lakh. So how much you will receive on allotment? Now there is a problem. R to whom 400 shares were allotted failed to pay the allotment money. There is a person R. The company is allotted him 400 shares. Definitely he have applied for more shares. So keep it in mind, whenever there is a word allotted is given, then you have to calculate applied And whenever there is a word applied is given, then you have to calculate allotted shares. So 2 lakh shares applied for 3 lakh. So R, who have allotted 400 shares, he must have applied for more. How much shares for he is applied? 3 lakh upon 2 lakh multiply 400, that is equal to 600. So keep it in mind. If allotted is given, then applied on the above side, and if applied is given, then allotted on the above side. So 600 we will receive as an applied shares. Second step is you have to calculate excess application money. Because he applied for 600 shares, but company just give him 400 shares. So definitely he receives more application money. That is called excess application money. Excess means difference of applied and allotted. So 600 minus 400, that is equal to 200. Multiply application is of rupees 3. So 200 multiply 3, 600 we will receive as an application, as an excess application money. So R, who, keep it in mind that under allotted shares we can write only allotted shares. So R has been allotted 400 shares. He does not pay allotment. That means 400 multiply 4. 1600 is not received from him. But he said, I have given excess application money. Company said, yes, you are right. So 1600 minus 600. Excess application money should be less. So how much amount not received on allotment? 1000. So just this is the simple point which you have to keep it in mind. First step, if applied is given, then calculate allotted. If allotted is given, then calculate applied, and just calculate excess application money. That should be deducted here. These three simple steps. Then 400 multiply 3, 1200 not received on first call. And definitely if he does not give first call and after first call his shares are forfeited, then he is not able to pay second call also. So 400 multiply 2, 800 is not received. That means second call should be due with 3,99,200. So how we will, there is one more person, that is M, who is the holder of 600 shares. Holder means allotted share. He pays all allotment. That means there is no problem in allotment. But he does not pay 2 calls. That means 600 multiply 3. 1800 is not received on first call. And 600 multiply 2, 1200 is not received on second call. So how will you adjust? 6 lakh minus 3000, that is equal to 5 lakh 97,000. And 4 lakh minus 1200 minus 800, that is 3 lakh 98,000. So these are the amount in front of bank entry. These are the amount in front of bank entry. So in this table, you can easily make cash book. If cash book is given in question, then there is no need to make the entries of bank. You can simply take the amounts from here. Now, entries, bank account debit to share allotment. As you can see, how much amount is received on allotment? 4,99,000. I just mark here star. Star means it is working note. You can write here star. Or you can give this point a number. It is working note number 1. So you can write here working note number 1. And this is working note number 2. So you can write here working note number 2. Don't forget to prepare working note because examiner can deduct marks for working note. So share first call account debit to share capital. Due amount is 6 lakh. And how much amount you receive? 5 lakh 97,000. So bank account debit to share first call 5 lakh 97. After first call, you just forfeit his shares. So you have to make the entry of forfeiture. As you know, in the case of forfeiture, share capital should be debited. So share capital account debit, because allotment is not received, that means definitely premium is not received. As I told you previously, that if premium is not received, then it should be debited. So security premium reserve account debit, 2 share allotment account, 2 share first call account, and 2 share forfeiture. But keep it in mind, share capital should be debited with called up amount only. That means 400 multiply 8, 3200. Because shares face value is 10 and company did not call for second call yet. So 10 minus 2, 8. Don't take premium here. So 10 minus 2, 8. If for second call is of 3, then 10 minus 3, it should be 7. So share capital should be debited with 3200. Security premium is of 2. So 400 multiply 2, 800. 2 share allotment. As I told you, in front of these we will